Back with another banger, guys. What's going on? Good afternoon. Thought I'd throw in a quick live stream before I head off to the gym. I got some more one-on-one coaching sessions to do on the Patreon this afternoon, so get a workout in and then we'll get some more of those done. But what's everybody doing? What's everybody doing? Let's have a look over at JASMY. So we're just kind of ping-ponging in this range still, guys. We're looking at a potential death cross right here. Now, before you get your panties in a twist, right? Death cross, if you're over on the Patreon, you know, because we do technical analysis training, you know that the death cross is a lagging indicator, which is representing this fall that we already had. It's not representing a fall that's going to happen usually, right? So I wouldn't be worried about that per se. So yeah, perfectly normal. We could come all the way back down to the bottom trend line here of this range we're in at 1 cent 9, 1 cent 969, and still be perfectly fine, right? As you can see, we've held it pretty good up to this point. So we'll just continue to ping pong until we get some volume. Right now, we have no volume, guys. 71 million in volume on JASMY. Until we get some volume coming into the market so that we can start to move to the upside. This is still my golden area though, guys, my golden pocket where I believe we will end up consolidating next. We just have to get enough volume to make it up there in the first place. So we'll see what happens. But let's get into the chat, see what's going on, guys. As always, make sure you smash the like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Big Kev's in the house. What's up, buddy? Funky, let's go. Forget about it. What's up, man? Thanks for the call today, Rob. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Where could be a good entry point on JASMY? Right now is a good entry point on JASMY. It's down 6.3% on the day. It's a good entry point right now, in my opinion. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. All right, so let's have a look at the bubbles and see what's going on. All right, so Myriad down 9.9%. Good little DCA, time to scoop some up. Bitcoin's not doing bad though. 63.5, not too bad, guys. Not too bad. JASMY, like I said, down 6.3. Look at the volume though, guys. 71 million in volume. That's why we're not pumping. We need volume in the market, or else we're not going to do anything. But everything's a good DCA opportunity, though. I mean, Algorand at 13 cents. Absolutely, man. I was telling you guys to pick it up at 11 cents. What do we got? Turbo. Look at that opportunity on Turbo, man. I may scoop some more Turbo up today, to be honest with you. Ondo, 69-cent Ondo, guys. I know that Knot and Toncoin have been taking a hit. I think that they're both going to recover, though. I think they're both going to recover very, very nicely, to be honest with you. And I think everyone that's buying right now, everyone that's buying Knot and Toncoin are going to be happy that they did later, in my opinion. Scott, what's up, man? Go JASMY. Go Attorney John Deaton. Absolutely. The next senator of Massachusetts. We need him desperately along with the DG. Yes, I agree, man. I agree 100% on that. We got a couple of greens today, though. Corium's having itself a good day. Telos and Tectum. Nice little pumps. Everything else, guys, good opportunities. I hope you guys are taking advantage of these because one day you're going to look back in the next 12 months and you're going to be like, damn, I should have bought more, right? H-bar, 5 cents, 6. Good opportunities, guys. Fantastic. 28-cent Sandbox. All right, let's get into some of the news. I got a special little treat for you guys here. Check this out. So CoinRabbit did an AMA, an unbroadcasted AMA with Hara. They said recently our CoinRabbit team had an exclusive call with CFO of JASMY, Hara. We asked him a series of unconventional questions to learn more about the project's future and his vision. The first question we asked, can you tell us about the JASMY token and its role in the ecosystem? In the coming days, we'll be sharing answers to other questions. So they're gonna trickle out these questions and answers that they had with Hara. So here's the first one, guys, and I figured I would share it with you guys. So listen up. Listen up good if you want to hear what Hara had to say.
Hello, everyone. Today we have an interview with the JASMY CFO, Hara. Today we will ask him some questions from the CoinRabbit. My name is Vlad, and I am a marketer in the CoinRabbit. Well, let's start with the first question. Can you tell us about the JASMY token and its role in the ecosystem, please?
Yeah, thanks so much. For my introduction, myself. So I am a Hara and CFO of JASMY, and I joined JASMY 2018, and I wrote white paper, and I created have created the community from the ground. Now I personally have some 56K followers on X, and also JASMY also getting famous and largest project from Japan. Also only JASMY from Japan listed on Coinbase and Binance. So some communities easy to say JASMY is Japanese Bitcoin. So that's why it's only like a famous project. So JASMY was founded in 2016 by Sony president and alumni with the concept of data democracy and aims to solve the problems of personal data being monopolized by platforms such as GAFAM and used by individuals in ways that they didn't intend. So, and the value of data not being returned to individuals despite its huge values. So it is also compliant with data protection laws such as GDPR, so Japanese personal information law or regulations. So clarifies the location of data and permission relationships and enables the anonymized provision or a temporary lending of data to third parties. So the system enables KYC and device data to be linked. This is called KYM, Know Your Machine, and maximize the value of data by providing data between trusted projects and individuals through the consortium type layer 1 chain. And also the data by offering proprietary tokens. So it's also main token is JASMY coin as compensations. So our goal is to create a marketplace for data. Yeah, thank you.
His English is getting very, very good compared to what it was a year ago. He must be doing a lot of, I guess, because he's doing all of these conferences, seminars, and everything, Web3 events all around the world. His English is definitely getting better, but we're going to be trickling these out when CoinRabbit drops them every single day. Interesting little side AMA with Hara. Very nice to see. Very nice to see. What else do we got? Squawk Box. Let's hear what's going on with the rate cuts.
Markets seem to feel as if maybe we've kind of nailed this thing. That there isn't really a serious trade-off to be worried about at this point in terms of where rates go relative to the economy, relative to earnings, relative to stocks. Where do you fit within all of that?
I'm a little concerned. I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm a little concerned about the rally we've seen over the last 3 weeks. It's almost like the market thinks the Fed knows exactly how many cuts they're going to do, and I'd be, willing to bet that Powell and the other Fed members don't know. Right? The Fed is uncertain. Powell said rate cuts are coming, but he didn't elaborate on that. He didn't say we're getting 50 in September or 25, and he certainly didn't elaborate on the pace of rate cuts. And as we've seen in the past, the Fed puts out the summary of economic projections, the set, which shows the consensus view of where Fed fund rates are going. They usually get it wrong. And so I think there's a lot more certainty priced into the market than what we'll get out of the Fed in September.
Although there is a school of thought that says, without knowing or even pretending to know exactly how far or fast rates might go down, the Fed has a couple of 100 basis points of what it believes to be excess restrictiveness in their policy. And therefore, the direction is that's a cushion if things perhaps don't go right with the economy.
I would agree with that. But I think, again, getting back to the market's pricing in roughly 100 bips between now and the end of the year. We've got 3 meetings. So that implies you get 1 meeting where there's 50 bips. And I think the problem is, what if we get a good labor report for August in early September? I think that throws the market's pricing off a little bit. And so again, it gets back to a little bit too much optimism probably priced in the market right now. Valuations are high heading into this cutting cycle to begin with. There's a lot of crowding in the market. And so I think you could get a little bit more volatility between now and the Fed meeting in September.
So I think that, you know, he's not entirely wrong, but at the same time, his theory is based on ifs, right? If August numbers come in, you know, but he's not wrong. But there's also a flip side of that coin. What if they come in worse? Worse in terms of, you know, worse in crypto or in compliance with what the Fed's trying to do. Worse is actually better, right? So what if they come in and it's even better, right? But I personally believe that we're going to see 3 rate cuts, probably 25 basis points a pop is what I'm kind of guessing here. I agree. I don't think there'll be 100 basis points before the end of the year. 75 sounds realistic. 3 meetings, 25 points a pop. That's kind of where I see it going personally. Dumb Money, what's up, man? How's everything going? It's going good, man. It's going good. Boomer's in the house. What's up, brother? Chris, hey, Rob, do you think Bonk will do well this bull run? Yes, I do, Chris. I think it will do very well. Ping pong, one of my favorite games, 100%. What else do we got? Couple other things to cover here. Just in from Bitcoin Magazine, Trump's presidency could end China's dominance of Bitcoin mining. Very interesting theory, and I agree with it because Trump's going to want mining to be in the U.S. Manos, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, I'm good, man. I'm good. How you doing? I think I'm going to hold my JASMY till it gets to $1. Also bought a lot of Miria. Nice. Yeah, I've been stacking Miria like a madman, my friend. Like a madman. What else do we got? Studio Tech, what's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Cat's here. What's up, Cat? Good to see you. Bitcoin Magazine says Hong Kong's Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed $2 billion in assets under management, man. China is getting prepared. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. This is what I'm trying to show you guys, right? All of this Bitcoin's being taken off the markets. Public company, Semler Scientific, bought another 83 Bitcoin worth $5 million. More Bitcoin being taken off the markets, guys. Right? I try to show you guys that, you know, the supply and demand crunch is going to hit hard. So we got this warning here. Inflation is crushing the middle class. If we don't work smarter, you'll get left behind. Check this out. I could not agree more with this. Check it out.
$1 million, 1993. Today is now $2,070,000. Inflation in 5 years will probably devalue half of everyone's money listening to this in their 401ks, IRAs, and their soft saving accounts. Like right now, the world is a wreck, and their only solution to the devaluation is they're going to have to work harder. Over the last 20 years, 2002 to 2022, salaries have increased 27%, but the cost of a home has gone up 148%. In other words, like our cost of living and lifestyles is not keeping up. Average person drives a $60,000 a year car that has a $50,000 a year salary with over $100,000 of student debt, 60% of America living check to check. We have a problem. And being busy is not the solution, and getting another job is not the solution. You have to graduate and develop more of the Gen Z millennial mind that says there's got to be a smarter way. It can't be the immigrant way of just work harder, because there is something to say for hard work. But if it's not smart enough hard work, then it's stupid work. It's dumb work. And there's a lot of financial idiots out there that have just not gotten this up.
And yet the Democrats will tell you that the economy is fine. It's fine. It's all good in the hood. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string, right? Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. The age we live in. Michael Vandepop says many altcoins have seen their first push upward in the previous week. I expect that we'll have another 1 to 2 days of consolidation before the upward trend continues in the markets. The second half of the year is the better part of 2024. Absolutely. I am here for it. I am ready for it, guys. Let's frickin' go. More news out of China. China's really starting to make a move here. China to unban Bitcoin apparently tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow, but it will definitely unban. They will definitely unban crypto, and that is a lot of money coming in, guys. Something like $10 trillion. The DXY dumping as usual. We love to see this, guys. I would love to see it continue downward even more, to be honest with you. But for now, looking good. Looking good. All right, let's get back over to the JASMY chart. Oh, damn it. Studio Tech, come on, JASMY, make us rain. Absolutely, man. Manos, can you remind me your prediction of Miria? I haven't tuned into the channel lately. I've been working 7 to 7. Oh, nice. Well, what I can tell you is this, my friend. Actually, I was planning on doing this morning. I am actually putting together a Miria price prediction video. So I don't want to spoil it, right? So have a look either tomorrow or the next day. I will have my Miria price prediction video out. And yeah, I think that you will be, I think you'll be pleased with what I have to say. So sorry, I know you want to know now, but I don't want to ruin it. And because I have a video coming out about it. So definitely check the video out. Keep an eye on my library. It'll be out either tomorrow or the next day. I promise you. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. I know it's even better because like instead of me just telling you, you know, what number I think it'll go, I get to tell you why I think it's going to go there too, right? So I think that's a lot more helpful as well. So absolutely. Workouts. I got some more one-on-one coach. We do the. Hopefully, you guys heard everything I had to say there. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, so like I was saying, book your one-on-one coaching sessions, guys, over on the Patreon. Check out our technical analysis training. We do crypto giveaways over there. We do swing trade opportunities over there. Can you guys hear me now? Cat says sound. Can you guys hear me? I think my internet lagged really quick there. Somebody let me know in the chat if you can hear me. Anyway, I'm cutting it anyway. I got to get going, guys. I will be back this evening for another live stream, so make sure you guys are here for that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate you.